In this lesson, we will cover brief introductory overview of model training and how in this module we are going to train classification model in Spark. What is model training? What does it mean when someone says we need to train a ML model for this use case on this data? Model training is nothing but enabling a machine to learn without being explicitly programmed with predefined rules. Let's understand the same in a bit more detail. In traditional approach of analytics, we program applications based on predefined rules. Now these rules could either be business rules or data rules based on experience scenarios. What has changed over the time is that now these data scenarios and data points can no longer be captured in few finite categories. With digital revolution, these data points have increased significantly, and that has brought challenges to business transformation, such as the effort to define all these rules accurately and with the required efficiency is huge. And even if we put that effort and do define these, the pace to maintain it and make changes on need basis does not meet business expectations anymore, which makes it an unfruitful investment, and this is where model training comes in picture. Model training is a process wherein we provide all data, including outcome, to a machine learning algorithm to learn from. These algorithms have underlying logic and mathematical functions which can find relationships, learn patterns, and can derive how each of those things are affecting the outcome. Once the algorithm has learned, it outputs a model which has modeled data and a prediction algorithm. This model can then predict outcome for new data sets which are exposed to this model. And not just that, as new data set is fed to this model, it can also grow and change. What does that mean is that as new data will be fed, it will also learn and optimize its operations with the relationship data points and patterns rather than a fixed set of rules. It can also handle complex business situations with efficiency and accuracy as it can process massive amounts of data. In this module, we will be doing practical demonstration of model training in Spark, which is divided into 4 lessons. The first one is where we are going to pick a data set. We are going to understand its attributes and then read the same into a Spark data frame. Second, we are going to do a train test split where we will divide this main data set into train and test data set respectively. Third, we are going to create a feature vector column which is required as an input for model training. Fourth and the final is we are going to build and train 3 classification models.